Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to tie a blood knot and an improved blood knot. This is a very useful knot that you can use to build a leader, and in the case of a permit or a bonefish leader, the blood knot in different variations might be the only knot you need other than the one that ties your fly on and the one that connects your butt section to your fly line. So hopefully this helps, and here we go. Okay, so I'm going to cross one tag end over the other and wrap away from myself. How many times will depend on what size leader material you're using, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do 3 and 3. After the third wrap, I'm going to put this tag between the standing line and the tag of the other material, and I'm going to pinch it. Then I'm going to take the other material and I'm going to wrap that tag also away from me 3 times. And you'll notice that where I pinched it, there's a little hole. We're going to put the tag back through that. If you want a little info about how many turns with what material, I'll put a link to another video in the description. Okay, so let's say you want to do an improved blood knot because you're using 2 different materials that have pretty different diameters. For example, you're tying on 16-pound class to a piece of 30-pound. What you're going to do is, with the lighter material, you're going to double the material over. And then you're going to tie the knot. And in the same way that I would do if I was tying 16 to 30, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and then back down 2. This just helps it seat down better. So including the up and down, that's 5 turns. Pinch it there. And then this way I do 1, 2, 3. Imagining that I'm doing that with the 30-pound. Back through. So it'll look like that. And just to show you what these things should look like before they're tightened, this is the improved, and this is the regular blood knot. Here's a little slow-mo of tightening these down. When you're doing this with the improved, there's 2 tags. The one that's parallel to the standing line, that needs to be held while you're tightening it, otherwise it'll get all messed up. And then you just trim your tags and you're all done.